Blush, blush, blush. Why don't you put some makeup on you, vlog?
So I'm gonna do my best to apply this makeup, but I've never put on makeup before, obviously. Putting on lipstick and laughing. I don't know what's so funny about the lipstick.
Hi everyone. Felissa gives me this, so I hope you will like it. Let me show it up to you. Oh, don't let that happen. Yes, there we go. So now you know how it looks. We are gonna put it on me today. This mermaid makeup, and this is Daddy Jacob. You remember him from the last video, I'm sure everyone, right? If you're a kid or a grown up, you can watch this show because it's certainly free. Actually, the camera switches the seats where we are sitting. So actually, I'm sitting here. I sit on Jacob.
What? No, it's switched in there because you're watching the reverse, but it's the right way. It's not like a mirror. So I'm gonna do my best to apply this makeup, but I've never put on makeup before, obviously. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, let's get a close-up shot to open it, okay?
Oh, guys, look what I found.
Wow, it's a bag to hold all the makeup in it.
It's a zip, guys. It's a dolphin. Let me put it really close.
No, over here.
If you put it really close, then you can see. See that little?
Yeah, cute
look
little
at
dolphin.
Pearls, and I think I'm ready to open it. Oh! There's something inside. There's something inside. So we have eyeshadow.
Yeah, eyeshadow, little gems.
And blush. I remember kids wear blush. I wear blush before. I whispered at the vlog. So I have these gems. Don't tell your parents this, guys. I actually want to wear mascara and eyeliner. Don't tell your parents. Next. Nail polish and some blush and some brushes for doing my makeup. Blush, blush, blush. Why don't you put some makeup on you, vlog? Boop, 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 boop.
There you go. Now the audience looks pretty too.
Vlog, you look so pretty. Wow, you look like a mermaid.
What is that? I'm guessing your fingers go through that maybe, or your toes to put polish on?
Yes, that's right.
That's right. Okay, we'll put that in your mani-pedi kit.
And
Lipstick. Mermaid lipstick. Does it taste like fish?
it smells good.
Oh, good.
Smells
Oh, it
like.
does. It kind of smells like cherry. Hey, don't put it on the lens.
I was trying to make the vlog smell it.
Okay. It's television, not smell-o-vision, Artemis.
Now let
What
me
is that,
smell
some gloss?
this. Yeah. It smells good too. Smell.
And what are those last little star things there? Is that the nail polish?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Some nail polish, some sea nail polish.
Good, a coral and a sea blue. Beautiful.
so
Okay, let's try to get some of this on you.
First, we are going to do eyeshadow.
Eyeshadow first? Yes, ma'am.
Let me pick the colors.
Okay.
What vlog thinks good?
I'm having a little trouble opening it. There we go.
Vlog, what's your favorite color? Tell me in the comments below.
Here, let's hold it up so they can see.
See, these are all the colors. What color do you like the most in here?
I think for you today, the blue or the green, especially the kind of tealish blue, will match the clothes you're wearing very well.
No.
No? Okay.
Like that.
I'm gonna put it on you, right? You're gonna pick?
Could we put this glitter like
The glitter blue?
yeah, around here, and then for the inside we have to do This.
The light blue. Okay, so then light blue on the inside and dark blue with glitter on the outside. I will do my best.
First do the glitter.
No, I have watched a couple makeup tutorials with you, and they say start here on the inside.
Let's go.
Oh, I guess I didn't get enough on there. I'm sorry. I'm learning as I go here. Sorry, guys.
Yep, my daddy's the worst. He never knows how to.
Well, it doesn't help when the subject keeps moving.
Bye. 2 eyes. The vlog can't see the blue, it's too light.
Yeah, it's very light. But that's what we're going for. It's a little shimmery too. You couldn't tell, you can't tell in the dish, but when it's, close your eyes, when it's on you, it adds a little bit of shimmer too.
Vlog, is my face already shimmery?
We'll get a close-up afterwards when it's all done. Okay? I'm not pressing too hard, am I?
No.
Okay. Other side now. Oh.
Is this where you get it?
Try not to move. You keep moving.
Do my eyeballs.
It's tickling a little bit? It's tickling your eyeballs?
No, you're also going inside of my eyeballs.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm pressing too hard.
No, you're going here.
Here, move.
Where I don't like it to go. You're going to there where I don't like it to go.
Or you just want it further up near the eyebrow.
Yeah.
Not as much near the eyelash.
Right here, not in.
Yeah, okay. Okay, I'm sorry.
I don't like it there.
That's actually really nice. It's just very faint. And let me put a little more on this side. So it looks like the other side. I don't know why, but I can't get it on and stick that side. Hold on. Hold on. Let me get a lot on here. Maybe that's why.
Can I see? Can I see? Oh, wow.
Okay, close your eyes. There we go. That's doing better. Okay, now I'm guessing I clean this off. I just using a paper towel.
Look how cute my face is. Vlog. Do you like the normal style or do you like the mermaid?
Okay, now you want some glitter out the ends?
Yes.
Okay. I'll start on this side.
I knew it was gonna be cold.
Can you look up?
Oh.
How's that? And then glitter the other side. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Need a little more.
Can I see the brush? Wow, very pretty.
There's not much blue to it, it's all the glitter. And then it's just a clear liquid. So I could almost go over the other stuff with this if you want. Glitter all the way, that's up to you. You can just do glitter on the edges and then maybe some little...
I just want to be so shiny.
How's that look?
Vlog, do you like it? Let me go see it in here. What vlog? Daddy, I love it!
Good. Back up here. Here, you want your little box behind you. Okay. Okay, have a seat. And blush now?
Yeah. Let me show you where the blush is. The blush.
The blush brush?
This is the one that you use for your cheeks.
The blush?
I can put blush on. I can put blush on that night.
You can do it? You think so?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You don't have a mirror right here with you though.
I will go to the living room, then come back and show the vlog.
No, let's do it here. Let me do it.
And go for it.
I'm just going to show the little mermaid tail brush.
Yes.
Okay.
Pretty.
Okay, have a seat.
It's for girls, of course. Right, Daddy?
Mm-hmm. Okay, now it's kind of a coral color, there's a bit of an orange to it. I think because it's trying to be mermaidy.
Yeah, mostly mermaids have coral. I want to go look in the mirror.
Now, I don't really know what I'm doing here, but I think you're trying to elongate the cheekbones. like go this way a little bit. I don't know. This is my guess.
I feel it on.
I can see it on, but it's not very dark. It's very subtle. It just makes your cheeks a little pinkish orange. You want to go? Yeah, check the mirror. This would be a good tutorial for other dads out there too. If I can do it, you can do it.
It's super duper cute.
Okay, good. All right, what's next? Lipstick.
Yes, lipstick.
Do you want the glitter gloss or do you want the lipstick, the coral lipstick?
This has the vlog.
Well, we can't get a response right now.
Which one do you like more? Tell me in the comments. Lipstick or coral gloss? Tell me in the comments.
Lipstick or gloss? You want lipstick? You put it on yourself?
I'm gonna go to the big mirror vlog. Wait a second.
Okay, she's going to put it on herself. She'll be right back. This one she can handle. She's putting on lipstick and laughing. I don't know what's so funny about the lipstick.
It's so fun. 5 hours later.
Okay, so she put the lipstick on herself and did a good job, I'd have to say. For my uneducated opinion.
Do I look like a star now?
Yes, definitely. What about some gems?
Gems, perfect.
Where are you thinking? Kind of there?
No,
I'm going to have to put them on, darling. You're not going to be able to see.
Of course I am where I go to the mirror.
You're going to go to the mirror to do it?
Well, vlog, you're gonna lie. Look at it at the end.
Okay, well, we're going to bring vlog with us. Hold on.
Oh, for sure. Honey, schedules. You can do this.
Right up on your forehead? I was thinking along your eyes or something. Under your eyes. Remember that? Remember that Super Pop show? They were putting them on the edge of their eyes on the outside.
Like that idea.
Yeah.
What do you think, vlog? Does it look perfect or what? This one more. So cute.
That looks a little bit like you're crying there. I was talking about out here. That's where they put them on Super Pop.
Well, I'm not crying, right, vlog? I'm a princess. Why would I cry?
Okay.
Last one. And then now I'm gonna do one on my cheek. I'm ready to do one on my cheek.
You're gonna switch it up to purple?
Yeah. We only need 2. Hey, why isn't it sticking?
Maybe because you blush.
Oh, it's stuck.
Yeah, maybe there's less blush in that spot.
Now next one. Oh,
I think I heard something fall on the floor.
you know what?
I think the blush is getting in the way because the blush is powdery and then they can't stick to it.
You know what? I'll just keep it like this.
Okay, that works. Here,
Thanks.
show the blog.
Just 1 second. There we go.
So what do you think of the beautiful mermaid makeup?
Yeah. Now we are gonna go to the next one.
Awesome.
This is the end vlog. So I have this nail polish also. And my daddy doesn't let me wear it.
We'll put that on another day because we're going to do some other arts and crafts right now.
A small version of the blush. Brush. What is it?
Blush brush.
Blush brush.
So it's a really nice makeup kit, eh? And then we're going to pack it all up into the scaly, shiny makeup bag.
And I also have lipstick on again.
Thanks, Melissa, for sending this. She loves it, and it looks beautiful.
And we might do it another day wearing this. So on the next video today, you're going to see me still wear this makeup on the next video that I make.
Yeah, the next video, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications because the next video, we're making doll clothes and we're going to make them mermaid themed doll clothes.
Yeah.
So look for that video next.
Why are you ruining the surprise?
So that they subscribe. Subscribe and hit the bell.
Oh, yes. Subscribe, and if you like this video, then do subscribe and then press the bell to watch more videos, even if there's not so much. And now we're going to be sure 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 1.
There's instructions. Maybe that would have helped me.
My dad is really crazy. He did not even notice directions.
Huh. I didn't know that there's instructions for makeup.
Me too.